Hello student of class 11, this is the continuation part of the previous video of complex number. I am going to focus on imaginary cube root of unity. What is it? Imaginary cube root of unity equal to this. Let x equal to this. This equal to 1 to the power 1/3. That is x cube equal to 1. I can write it in this way, x cube minus 1 equal to 0. So I can write x minus 1 and x square plus x plus 1, this is equal to 0. So x equal to 1 and x square plus x plus 1, this equal to 0. X square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. By Sridhar-Acharya formula, we can solve x. That means this is quadratic equation. By using Sridhar-Acharya formula, I will get two roots of x in this way. Minus 1 plus minus b square minus 4 ac by 2 into a, that is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 4i, that is minus root 3 by 2, that is equal to minus plus minus root 3i by 2. One value of x, that is minus 1 plus root 3i by 2, and another value is minus 1 minus root 3i by 2. It is denoted by, one is denoted by omega and one is denoted by omega square. Since omega is one root, sorry, one thing is I am telling the omega equal to this and omega square equal to this, but I can tell this is omega square and this is omega. It could be anything. Omega is one of the root. That means x cube equal to 1. This equation has three roots. One root is 1, second root is this, and second root is this. That means first root 1, second root 1 omega, and another root is omega square. Three roots. These are the three roots. If omega is a root, that is omega cube equal to 1, and I can write it. Omega cube minus 1 equal to 0, that is omega minus 1. 1 plus omega square equal to 0. I will apply these two formulas. This is 1 and 1 plus omega square plus omega 1 plus omega square equal to 0 in the sum. If I have 1 minus omega, 1 minus omega square, 1 minus omega cube and 1 minus omega 4, find the value of that. This is 1 minus omega, this is 1 minus omega square, this is 1 minus omega cube equal to 1 and minus 1 minus omega. That is, this is 0. So answer is 0. And if I have, this is omega to the power 5, this equal to 1 minus omega, 1 minus omega square, 1 minus omega square and 1 minus omega. Why? Omega to the power 5 equal to omega cube into omega square, that is 1 into omega square, that is omega square, and omega to the power 4 equal to omega cube into omega, that is equal to 1 into omega, that is equal to omega. So I can write it in this way. Here 1 minus omega square, 1 minus omega square square. 1 minus omega, 1 minus omega square whole square. This is equal to 1 minus omega square plus omega cube. This is square. I can write it in this way, 1 minus omega plus omega square plus omega cube and square. I know 1 plus omega square, this is equal to 0, since the omega imaginary cube root of unity, omega is the imaginary cube root of unity, so omega plus omega square, this is equal to minus 1. So I can write it 1 plus 1 plus 1, omega cube equal to 1, and this is minus 1 and minus 1 plus 1, this is square, this is equal to 3 square equal to 9. The answer is coming. Answer becomes 1. If I factorize this, I will write it in this way, 1 into xy plus omega square, that is x square. For 1 equal to, I can write minus omega square xy plus y square. This is equal to x square minus omega xy minus omega square xy plus y square. This is, I will take common x from two portion. I will divide it in two groups, and here I am taking x is common from here, and I will get x minus omega y. And now here y is common, and that is y square. Y square. I am taking y square y common, that is this is x and omega y. You will see omega into omega cube 1 and y square minus plus. That is x minus omega y and x minus omega y omega square. These two factors. These are the two factors of this. If it is a question, factorize x square plus xy plus y square, then I will get these two factors. Okay. If it has minus x square y, then I will write it in this way, omega plus minus 1 equal to plus omega square xy, that is 1 plus omega square, that is equal to 0. Omega plus omega square equal to minus 1. So here minus 1 equal to omega plus omega square plus y square, and x square plus omega xy plus omega square xy and plus y square. This is equal to, I am grouping these two, and x plus omega y plus omega square y, that is x plus omega y. Okay. This is equal to x plus omega square y and x plus omega y. These are the two factors of this factorization. Okay. If alpha equal to minus 1 plus root 3i by 2 and beta equal to minus 1 minus root 3i by 2 are the two roots of a quadratic equation, then you prove that alpha square plus alpha beta plus beta square equal to 0. I can write it alpha equal to omega and alpha square equal to, and beta equal to omega square. That is, this is for this I will write omega square plus alpha beta, omega into omega square plus omega square. beta square, that means this is omega to the power 4. This is equal to omega square plus 1 plus omega 4 eta equal, this equal to omega cube into omega. So I can write it omega, this is equal to 0. So therefore I can prove alpha square plus alpha beta plus beta square equal to 0. Okay. Applying this formula, imaginary cube root of unity, that means omega cube equal to 1 and 1 plus omega square equal to 0. You can solve all problems related to omega. I am ending here.